Hi everyone. This is your RP sir. Do you wanna get 50 marks in SSC JE? You know how? I am going to launch a course from 28th onwards. That is on general intelligence and reasoning. So which consists of from which you will be getting 50 marks in your SSC JE examination, and all state examinations, all public examinations, you will be having considerable number of questions from this topic. So don't miss this. So you enroll for this link. Suppose if you are a plus student, suppose if you did not take the plus student, you take a plus subscription, that too with a wonderful offer which is going on up to 25th August only. 20% off on referral code RP Civil you can get, and extra months, 6 months if you take 1 month extra, 12 months if you take 2 months extra, 24 months if you take 4 months extra. So up to 52 percentage benefit you will be getting, right? So don't miss this. Plus subscription link for SSC JE, State AE, JE English you can find in the description, and below that you can find enrollment link for this general intelligence and this reasoning also, right? So don't miss this, all of you. Thank you, all the best.